Hello, today we're going to be taking a look at the standard RocwooD pressure washer. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video. In this video we'll start with the unboxing, along with how to construct it. Here's what the big shipping box looks like. It's got the RocwooD logo on it, along with a picture of the product. It features plastic ties on it, so it's nice and secure when shipping and it doesn't fall out the bottom of the box. The box also features plastic inserts into the box for carry handles, as this is quite a heavy product. The carton weight on the box is 34 kilograms, so the pressure washer is 32 kilograms. The pressure washer comes mostly complete, featuring the handle off it along with all the tubes. The items are wrapped in plastic or in polystyrene for protection. Our RocwooD 7 horsepower pressure washer produces a remarkable 3,900 psi at 227 bar from its 4-stroke engine, allowing it to outperform many similar pressure washers on the market. The thermal relief valve is designed to stop the pump from overheating and prevent serious damage, prolonging the lifespan of the pressure washer. Taking a look at what's in the box, it features a separate handle, but all the nozzles are located on it. It also features a filter to go at the end of the water pipe, and here is the water pipe. Spray gun and lance are on separately, along with the pipe for that is wrapped up. It also comes with an instruction manual and an operational instruction manual. The wheels and stand are connected separately, along with the chemical hose. Now to the assembly. We're going to start by putting the front stands in. They just slide into the base of the pressure washer, and they also provided screws on the top. We're now going to insert the axles into the pressure washer. They feature a metal knob on the side which locks into place, so you can also remove the axles. After that, we put the wheel on. It just slides right on, and then the screw goes on over the top. A spanner set is provided so you can screw all the nuts and bolts on very tight. There are 3 different sizes of spanners. It has oversized 8-inch durable wheels for easy transport and superior stability. Next, we just click the handle into place, just push on the sides and it will slide right in. In addition, some smaller screws are also provided to be able to connect the holders for the rope along with the spray gun. 2 spanners are provided for the smaller ones to make it nice and easy to get these holders on. The spray gun goes on the left and the hose for it goes on the right. Next, we connect the spray gun to the lance. This is just done with a simple screw and also features a cover on it to protect it. These are very stiff and hard to put together, so please be mindful when doing that, as it also needs to be tight so it doesn't have any water leak from the gap. In addition, we also need to connect the hose to the back of the spray gun. The pressure washer also comes with 5 quick connect nozzles, each with a specialised function. The 0% high pressure, which is red. The water stream's discharge is very aggressive, used with extreme caution to prevent damage on the surface being cleaned or injury to people and animals. 15%, which is high pressure, which is yellow. This is the nozzle used for most cleaning applications. It provides wide, narrow, and a powerful water stream. 25 degrees is high pressure green. This nozzle is used for cleaning with medium coverage with a powerful water stream. 40 degrees, which is high pressure, which is white. This nozzle is used for cleaning with wide coverage over a large area with a powerful water stream. And finally we have the black one, which is the detergent nozzle. It's used when you want to apply detergent to what you're cleaning. Here's how you connect the nozzles to the pressure washer. You just push the head down on the lance, put the nozzle in, and then let go. Once that's all constructed, just pull off this cap on the pump and insert the 10-meter hose. You now have a connected lance and gun to your pressure washer. The lance and gun sit on the left side of the pressure washer, as you can see being placed on here, and the 10-meter hose sits on the right. This pressure washer also comes with a piece of wire to be able to put inside the nozzles to make sure they are not blocked. The pressure washer includes a 1 meter chemical input hose with a filter on the end for application of cleaning agents. It also features a filter hose which you can connect to the pressure washer on the side. It draws water from a bucket, pool or hose pipe, and also features a filter on the end as well. It also comes with a 12-month domestic user warranty. Business or continuous use will invalidate any warranty. Here's the specifications for the pressure washer. The SKU is RWHPPW. The continuous rated pressure is 3200 psi or 220 bar. The maximum pressure is 3950 psi or 227 bar. The horsepower for the engine is 7 horsepower. The engine type is a 4-stroke OHV 210cc. The engine displacement is 196cc. The maximum flow rate is 10 litres per minute. The intake is a filter hose. The starting system is a recoil start, and the tank capacity for the fuel is 3.5 litres. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.